Hello guys, welcome back to the series in the 2014 Hyundai Veloster, and this time we're gonna be replacing the oil for the transmission, and we're gonna be replacing the lower control arms. I'm gonna be showing you how bad they are and why I'm gonna be changing them. If you look right there, they're broken, and plus in that corner over there they're broken too. So I got the new ones. We're gonna be using 17 and 19s. This is 19, 17 over here, and 19 in the bottom. And we're gonna be using the fork and obviously a hammer or a big hammer and the new control arms. So he's gonna be working that in that, and then in the transmission side, to refill it is gonna be over here. You're gonna be opening this, and then in the bottom is gonna be to empty it over here. This is I think a 24, and when you find out when it's full, you open this a little bit and it's gonna be starting dripping. I'm gonna be showing you how I do it. This is where it was damaged, right there. And this is how the new one looks. This is how it was looking. It was damaged over here and over here. So now we're gonna be doing the oil. So you're gonna lose over here to lose the oil, and you're gonna open over here so you can breathe. Look how black that oil it was. Should be red. Look at that. That's metal. Where we put the oil through here, and the oil that I'm putting is this one, and it should be Hyundai SP4 right there. That's the one. If it's something else, it's the wrong one. It should be SP4 like this. this oil that I'm gonna be putting this is something else. This is only a container from the oil that I had. This is brand new, so it's just that it's different container, but it's the same oil. You're gonna see that it's red. That's the color that it should be, that red. Now I'm gonna be using this one. You're gonna see that it's the same color. So when it's full, you're gonna see it dripping through here. Let me put a little bit more oil. That's full already, and now I'm gonna lock it with this. And now 3/8, which is the same size. It goes hand tight, not that tight. Just as soon as you feel pressure, that's it. Because it's plastic and it might break. So that's it for the transmission. Now we're gonna be finishing putting the tires, the nuts, and that's it. We got all this. I'm gonna be doing this off cameras, but I'm gonna start it really fast so you guys can hear it. It might be a little bit loud because of the blow valve. It's aftermarket, it's a forged one, so it's pretty loud. I don't like it. And this car, the muffler is delete, so it sounds bad. I don't like it how it sounds. That weird sound that you guys hear, it was my pretty awesome uncle tightening with the, with the impact tool. So it wasn't the engine, okay? The engine is pretty quiet, it's pretty good. You see how quiet it is? And this is what I'm talking about, the muffler. This is how it's dealing. Over here goes the part of the muffler right here. So basically they just add a pipe from there, they cut over here, from there, and add it to here. So that's why it sounds like that. It would be fun if it was a manual transmission, but this is automatic, which is stupid to have it like this, but whatever. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next one. I might be putting this panel on the next video. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna be doing, but like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.